garlic shallots, chicken. These are the pad thai stuff.
เดี๋ยวไอ้นี่เดี๋ยวใช้น้ำตาลเยอะหน่อยโอ้ยเขาว่าเขาจะถือซอสนั่นมาไอ้
这个
พริกป่นสีแดงที่ไม่เผ็ดอ่ะโอ้ยเขาว่าเขาจะเอามาจากบ้านเขาเขาลืมที่ของเกาหลีอ่ะพริกป่นอันนี้ป่นละหน่อยดิ
fish sauce.
เนี่ย
Tamarind sauce.
If you don't have it only use lemon juice.
Oh, lemon juice? If you don't have tamarind?
If you have, you can put more. Because tamarind make the noodles soft.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's lemon juice?
This is chili, Korean. That is not. We want the color from it. It's not spicy.
Oh. I usually use paprika.
Oh yeah. I think it has some smell.
Yeah,
I
it does.
I don't like it.
So you use chili, okay.
Yeah, chili doesn't have any smell. Yeah.
She added water.
Uh-huh. อาจจะพอเพราะว่าหนูผัดทีละน้อยไม่เยอะ
What's that?
What is that?
Pork?
Uh-huh. That crispy
Fried
one.
pork?
Uh-huh. One more sweet.
Tofu,
More sour.
sugar. Eggs go at the end.
Yeah. Em ở đây tèn đâyรู้rồi màรู้đâu anh. Ai nước